So, in the previous session, we have seen multiplication of numbers which are close to the base, like 10. We have taken both positive numbers, that is which are more than 10, as well as the numbers which are less than 10. Now, in today's session, we will see whether the technique which we have seen in the earlier session, whether that same technique can be used in the multiplication of two numbers where one number is close to the base 10 but the other number is not close to the base 10. So the answer to this is yes. If one number happens to be close to 10 and other number is far away from 10, then also we can apply this technique. Only thing which we need to remember is that the base should be 10 for the calculation. Now let's see how we can do that. For example, we want to multiply 62 with 12. Now here you can see that 12 is close to 10, base 10, but 62 is not close to base 10. But if we want to multiply, because we can see that 12 is very close to 10 and the multiplication is not going to be difficult, we can always apply the same technique which we have used earlier. In this case, we will select base 10. Now, we will subtract 10 from 12, so we will get plus 2. That is 12 is 2 more than 10. Now, similarly in 62 also, we have to write 62 minus 10, that is 52. So here you can see that 62 is 52 more than 10. Now after doing this, we will apply the same technique. Write a forward stroke here, multiply this 52 with this 2, so we get 104. Now out of this 104, we will write 4 here and we will write 10 as carried over. After that, multiplication is over, we will simply do cross addition. Now adding 62 with 2 is simpler, so we get 62 plus 2, 64, and then the total we will get 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 744. Now how we can solve this problem quickly? In this case, instead of writing all this, we will simply write 52 for the sake of easiness, because 62 is 52 more than 10, so I simply wrote 52 here. Now I know that when the base is 10, I only multiply the unit number. Now in this case, this 2 is going to get multiplied with this 52. So I will multiply 2 with 52. So I get 104. So I will simply write 4 and 10 I will keep here as a carried forward. After that multiplication is over, I will take 62 and in this 62 I will add this 2. So it becomes 64 plus 10, that becomes 74. So you can see that without even writing in a detailed fashion, you can solve such numbers very quickly. Now let us take another example. We have a number called, let's say 74 multiplied by 14. Now in this case, we can see that this number is close to base 10, whereas this number is far away from 10. But we can use the technique which we have used for numbers close to base 10. So 14 can be written as 14 plus 4. I am not going to write 14 plus 4, I am going to simply put one mark here. And 74 can be written as, you simply subtract 10 from 74, so you get 64. So you simply write 64 here, just for the sake of calculation or multiplication. Now in this case, what I will do, I know that I always multiply the unit number Now in this case I will multiply 4 with this 64. So my answer is 4 4s are 16, carry over 1, 4 6 are 24 and 1 25. So I will write 25 as carried over. Now my multiplication is over. Now I will take 74 and in this 74 I will add 4. So this becomes 74 plus 4, that is 78. 78 plus 25, so 78 plus 20 becomes 98 plus 5, 103. So answer is 1036. So with this technique you can multiply such two numbers also. Now let us take another example. 63 multiplied by 15. Now in this case again we can see that 15 is close to base 10, but 63 is not. We will simply select base as 10. We know that 15 is 5 more, so we will write we will put a underline below 5, and 63 we will minus 10 here, we get 53. So we are going to multiply this 53 with this 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25, so we will get 265. So 26 is carried over, and after that my multiplication is over. I will simply, in this 63 I will add 5. So 63 plus 5, 68. 68 plus 26, so 68 plus 20, so it becomes 88 plus 6, 94. So my answer is 63 multiplied by 15 is 945. So you can see that you can solve such numbers very quickly by using the techniques which we have used for the numbers which are close to the base 10. Okay.